In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure signing settings in DocuSign in the easiest way possible. Whether you're managing your own documents or overseeing a broader organization's needs, ensuring your signing settings are correctly configured is essential for smooth, secure operations. Let's dive in and walk through these steps to make sure everything is set up perfectly. First, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website, open up your web browser and type in DocuSign's address. Once you're there, familiarize yourself with the home page. You'll notice it's designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze even if you're new to DocuSign. Now locate the Login button. This is usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking Login will prompt you to enter your credentials. Take a moment to ensure you've entered your username and password correctly to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, just use the forgot password link to reset it and regain access. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. This is your central hub for managing documents. From here, look for the admin option. Clicking on this takes you to another key area where you can manage various settings from user permissions to document templates. If you're new to the admin section, take a minute to explore it, but for now, our focus is on signing settings. Next, navigate to the signing settings option. This is where the real magic happens in terms of customizing how your documents are signed and managed. It's an important step since these settings will dictate the parameters of every document signing process you undertake. Look for the signing settings link. Usually it's clearly labeled and easy to spot in the admin section. Once you're in the signing settings area, you have a variety of options to tweak. These settings can include default fonts, time zones, or authentication processes. It's crucial to review these carefully and adjust them according to your specific requirements. You might want to consider consulting with team members or stakeholders to ensure these settings align with broader organizational needs. And there you have it, you've configured the signing settings in DocuSign. This straightforward process ensures that your document signing processes are secure and tailored to your preferences. Remember, these configurations can significantly impact your workflow and security measures, so make time to review them periodically. Thank you for tuning into our guide on configuring signing settings in DocuSign. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials designed to make your digital document management as seamless as possible. Until next time, happy signing.